GameMaker versus Godot, which game engine is better? Choosing the right game engine can completely change how you create games without unnecessary complexity. Both GameMaker and Godot offer unique approaches for different types of developers and projects. GameMaker and Godot are popular game engines but differ significantly. GameMaker focuses on simplicity and rapid 2D game development with an easy-to-learn interface, while Godot offers a versatile open-source platform supporting 2D and 3D games with a more flexible coding environment. GameMaker is a user-friendly game engine designed primarily for 2D game development. It works through a drag-and-drop interface combined with its proprietary scripting language, GML, which allows beginners to create games quickly without deep programming knowledge. The engine excels in rapid prototyping and is ideal for indie developers or hobbyists focused on 2D titles. GameMaker's strength lies in its streamlined workflow and extensive marketplace for assets and extensions. However, it has limitations in 3D capabilities and can be restrictive for more complex or large-scale projects. Its licensing model requires payment for exporting to different platforms, which can add costs for developers targeting multiple devices. Overall, GameMaker suits users who want a straightforward, efficient tool to build polished 2D games without the overhead of complex coding or setup. Godot is a free open-source game engine supporting both 2D and 3D game development. It features a flexible scene system and a powerful scripting language called GDScript, similar to Python, which offers more control and customization for developers. Godot stands out for its versatility, allowing users to build a wide range of games from simple 2D platformers to complex 3D environments. Its open-source nature encourages community contributions and frequent updates, making it a robust choice for developers seeking full control without licensing fees. While Godot has a steeper learning curve than GameMaker, it is well suited for developers comfortable with coding and looking to push creative boundaries. Some users may find its 3D tools less mature compared to other engines, but it remains a strong option for indie developers and small studios wanting a cost-effective, flexible platform. Comparing GameMaker and Godot highlights key trade-offs. GameMaker is perfect for quick, focused 2D game projects with minimal coding, ideal for solo developers or beginners. In contrast, Godot offers greater flexibility across 2D and 3D, appealing to developers who want deeper control and customization without upfront costs. GameMaker's ease of use and asset marketplace speed up development but limit 3D potential and platform export options. Godot's open source model removes licensing barriers and supports complex projects, but demands more programming skill and time investment. For example, a developer aiming to release a simple 2D mobile game might prefer GameMaker for its simplicity, while a small studio creating a multi-platform 3D title would benefit from Godot's versatility. Both engines have active communities, but your choice depends on project scope, technical ability, and budget. Choose GameMaker if you prioritize fast 2D game development with an easy interface and want to avoid deep coding complexities. Option Godot if you need a free, flexible engine that supports both 2D and 3D games with full customization. It's ideal for developers comfortable with scripting who want to build diverse, scalable projects without licensing fees. Your game's vision will guide the best choice.